How to live stream on Android with ManyCam Mobile. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, a support expert at JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to live stream on Android using ManyCam Mobile. If you're new to live streaming, we offer a free course to get you started. Scan the QR code for access. Besides Android, ManyCam is available for iOS and desktop too. It has free and paid versions. The paid one unlocks extra features like adding more cameras or sources. To download, search for ManyCam in the Play Store. After installing, you'll be asked for permissions. Enable all of them. Create an account using one of the options. I'll use my Google account. You'll be redirected to a login page. After logging in, just return to the app. Clicking here shows some settings. Under Sources, keep hardware acceleration with H.264 on. I recommend keeping the other options enabled too. In Output, set the stream's resolution. Check this to match video quality to internet speed. The free version allows 2 sources, paid version 4. Use your camera, videos, images, or IP camera. This icon switches between rear and front cameras. Add another layer, camera or image. Insert stickers, apply effects, or mute the mic. This icon toggles the flash on or off. Stream vertically or horizontally. For horizontal, rotate phone before streaming. Click this blue button to start streaming. Choose Facebook, YouTube, or add a custom server. Here, enter a name to identify and add the RTMP link and server stream key. If the server requires login, enable this option and enter the credentials. Click Add and then Start Broadcast. Looking for a live streaming platform? Check out JMV Technology's plans for multi-platform streaming from one source. Plus, enjoy several other exclusive features. For more info, scan the QR code. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and follow us on social media for similar content.